I'm in Oak Hill right now. What you won't see very often is A, my breath, B, me wearing a hat, a beanie, because it's chilly. It's probably in the, low 40s, maybe upper 30s. There was actually some frost on the grass when I was driving over here, but we'll see what we get. Oh man, all I gotta say is thank God for tea, because if it wasn't for this, I'd be a straight popsicle right now. It's been chilly and I haven't been fishing much. I'll say that. Kind of had to stop for a little bit and get into a little cove and warm up because my feet were freezing. Did that for a little bit and started drifting through this flat and wasn't recording just because, I don't know, didn't really have high hopes. Wasn't really sure. It's chilly, man. It's a nice healthy fish, man. The key is the release. Not gonna let this guy swim off until, there you go. Ooh, that water is cold. Yikes. This is the first time I've actually come across mullet today. They're little taps. I don't know if it's trout. That's what to find out, man. Throw a little jerkbait in there. That way, if it is like a little trout or something. He just went up and hit that. Dang it. I let him take it. I saw him coming up behind it right here. Alright, try jerkbait. I'm sure a lot of hardcore fishermen give me a hard time. Let a fish with a swivel, but it's like, man, I change baits so often. There you go. A snapper? A little red. There's another one right there. It's a time thing, man. And that's exactly why I did it. I'm gonna sit there and retie a line. I have the opportunity to miss catching a fish, so it's, I don't know, kind of pick your poison, I guess. Dude, you're tiny. That's how I got a hook in my hand last time. Ugh. What I'm gonna do is just let you go. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk getting a hook in my finger. As I was saying, I mean, I totally get, you know, you have less point of contact with your line, be it you don't have any kind of terminal tackle where it's just you're not to the lure. You don't have to worry about anything breaking. If something breaks, it's either your knot failure or the fish broke you off. I mean, there's so many times I would have missed fish because the lure that I wanted to use, I had to switch out. So for me to, there's one right behind it. There's another one. Oh, I saw him coming up. I would have never caught that fish. I guess this is a good example. Wow. All right, later, skater. Whew, see, that could have been my finger right there. Because I'm trying to get through my explanation of swivels. It's basically, I get it. You have one point of contact, you have a line. The only thing that's going to break if something happens is either A, your line breaks, or your knot fails. This, obviously, you have multiple contact points. You have your knot, then you have the swivel somewhere in there. It could actually fail, and then, God forbid, the lure slides back up the swivel and pops out, which has actually happened to me. They've bent the swivel back enough where it just loosened up and it popped out, but I don't know. It's just how I fish. Take it for what it's worth. There's another. Man, they're locked up in here. That's a trout. That's a nice trout. Really nice trout. Look how fat you are. Oh, sweet. Here's, who's gonna, all right, there you go, bud. Just gonna hold him and then kind of just get him situated and let him get his equilibrium, but he was good. And it was chilly this morning, man. There's one. I was close to packing it up. Came out here with flip-flops and it was like 40-something degrees. Little side swipe. He went up on it and then, jeez, man. Yep, just came up and turned on it. Oh, perfect. Later. Yep. Ah, there's another one. There's a whole bunch right there. There's a couple. Look at the one following them. All right. Probably the best release you can ask for. Man, they are. I think that might be a trout. No, I think that's a red. Let's see if I can get one of you guys to hold you up, for crying out loud. Whenever you're ready, big guy. Whenever. There you go. Just gave me the freaking stone pony there. He was like, I'm not gonna go anywhere. Saw some bait flashing right here, right in front of me. Like not that far, but literally like 10 feet in front of me. Huh. I kind of thought that was mullet, to be honest with you. I thought that later. I thought that was my line running through some bag of some mullet. I think I just saw. I wasn't even looking there. I was looking 25 yards that way. What I thought was a school of reds, which actually I think is. What a pretty fish, man. But flattening down the barbs, I'm not gonna lie, is just so much easier. Getting the hook out, I don't know why I haven't been doing that earlier. My fishing career, whatever you want to call it. Got him. Saw the little flash, man. That's all it took. No, there's two of them right there. I just spooked them. Yeah, there's probably won't even be able to see them. There's one right there. Dude, there's another one right there. He's on it. He's on it. There's another one right there. That's a... That was nuts. We're out. Heck yeah. We're out, buddy. That's what I'm talking about, man. Get those barbs down. It makes all the difference in the world. Come on, bud. Come on. I'm just holding you. You ready to go? You tell me. He's getting a little kick. There you go. Nice. Man, that's such a good feeling. Oh, I saw him. He's still behind it. He got it. You almost got me, bro. Whew. Damn, that was close. I felt that hook hit, like, touch the side of my freaking palm. Oh, jeez. Oh, he's on it. He just chased it. Gosh, there's a whole... Jeez, I was about to say there's a whole bunch right there. That was sweet. And the school's going back that way. Kind of split. Man, when they hit something, he's on it. Good grief. Oh, all right, hold on. Wherever you want to go, bud. I thought that release was going to be a little sketchy, but no. My lure's like right in front. Like they're right here. This guy's right. He's on it, right here. He got it. Whoa. Well, he had it. But I'm saying, they're right. Wherever you guys went. I feel. I think I don't say it's a trout, but these side swipers, you guys gotta stop doing that. I was like, you know what? I don't really know if he's still there. Okay, well that hook's pretty bent, so that's probably part of the reason why I've lost a couple fish. This little guy has done all the work. Got all these damn lures in my tackle box. And this is the only one I've used all day. Dang, what? Trout? I got it on his back. How the heck? I don't know if I've ever done that before. Alright, I think that's going to be it. I'm going to start paddling back, and then if I see something that's worth making a couple casts at, I'll do it. I get it. I get a slam. Ah, that was gonna be my last cast too. Yes. Yes. That's it right there. Got a little scar on his back, but all right, boss.